Hello everybody and welcome. And in this video I'll show you how to pause and play a song or a video without using your phone, just with using your speaker Soundcore Boom 2. You have to start by connecting your device to your speaker, and then you have a physical button right here. So I should play a song. Yeah, and just using this button I can on it or off the video. It's the same with the songs. So thank you so much for watching. If you found something in this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving the like. It's really important to us. See you!